Let me introduce myself. My name is Guna Surya Adi. I'm from class 11 TV3 and I'm going to tell you about the definition of Lathe machine. Lathe machine. Lathe is a machine tool that rotates a workpiece in circular motion to perform various operations such as cutting, sanding, knuckling, drilling, deformation, facing, and turning. With tools that are applied to workpiece to create an object with symmetrically above that axis. Part of Lathe machine. First, bed.
Bed is the main body of the machine.
Second, guideways.
Guideways take care of the movement of tailstock and carriage on the bed.
Third, headstock.
Headstock are the main body part that are placed on the left side of the bed.
Fourth, spindle.
Spindle. It is the main part of the lathe which holds and rotates the shaft.
Fifth, tool post.
It is bolted to the carriage on top of the compound slate. It is used to hold the tools at the correct position.
Sixth, tailstock.
Its function is to support the loose end of the workpiece or a job while machining.
Seven, chuck.
It is an important tool which is used to hold and rotate the workpiece.
8. Speed controller.
The speed controller is located on the headstock which controls the speed of the spindle.
And the last, sleeve.
Sleeve fit inside tailstock which can be moved back and forth to fit or remove that center.
That's it from me. Thank you.